Alright, y'all get ready. I'm going to show you a really cool pasta dish. Rhonda said this was the best one that I've ever made. It's chicken Alfredo with peppers and onions, made in a cast iron skillet where the peppers and the onions and the chicken all add flavoring, and then I add heavy cream and garlic and reduce it down, add Parmesan, pour it over the noodles with the toppings, and it's off the charts.
Start with hot water. There's certain sounds that just sound comfortable, and one of those is a cleaver going through an onion as I chop on a wooden cutting board. Just listen to that. It's just cool.
Just when I think the video is going really cool and my videography is getting better and better, I decide not to put my camera on a tripod, and this is what happens. The screen goes blank. Oops. Pick it back up real quick. I've got a ways to go, but I'm really enjoying making these videos. Thanks for watching, y'all. So what I do is to build flavor in this pasta dish, I use this cast iron pan with the onions and the peppers and the chicken, letting all those flavors build up and build up and build up, and then I add the cream, and what happens is it reduces with that flavor. Now do me a favor, y'all, if you're ever going to use Parmesan, don't use that powdered stuff. Don't use the pre-shredded stuff. Shred your own Parmesan. It tastes so much better.
Here we go, y'all. It's time to plate it up. Use nice big bowls or plates and take the time to garnish it. Food tastes better when it looks better. There's the chicken and the peppers and onions. Just says flavor. And then the Alfredo sauce. Look how rich it is and thick. No roux in that. It was just reduced with cheese. Wow, it's making me hungry. And there you have it. The best pasta that I've ever made.
There you go, y'all. That was the chicken Alfredo. Do me a big favor and hit that like button and mash that subscribe button. Get subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any more of me and the Cooper Dogs cooking adventures. Thanks for watching, y'all. Really do appreciate you.